Today I'm making Mediterranean breakfast.
For dinner.
So today we are making breakfast for dinner, as Zahir said. Do you want to explain why we're doing that?
Because we're fasting.
And we do miss our full-on heavy breakfast.
Yes.
See, much better. Okay, after you've done your hair. So, what's on the menu, Zahir?
Baba Ganoush.
So we're gonna make, first of all, we're gonna make Shakshuka.
Wait.
So, on the menu, it's Shakshuka.
Baba Ganoush.
What was it?
Mediterranean bread.
Shakshuka,
Baba Ganoush.
Mediterranean bread,
And more.
and more. So for the Shakshuka, we're going to need 2 onions, 3 clove garlic, and we've added some sliced peppers. So I've got the red ones and the green ones, the red ones and the yellow ones. These are the colors I'm using because that's what I have at home.